Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the oil filler tube O-ring on your Honda engine, you will need a small flathead screwdriver, a mallet, and channel lock pliers. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Unthread the oil dipstick and set it aside. Use the small flathead screwdriver and the mallet to bend the oil filler tube lock plate retaining tabs outward. Fully unthread the oil filler extension tube and remove the old O-ring if still intact. To install the new oil filler tube O-ring, slide it onto the threaded end of the tube. Reposition the lock plate on the engine housing, then rethread the oil filler tube, keeping the flat sides of the base aligned with the lock plate tabs. Using the channel lock pliers, bend the plate tabs inward to fully secure the tube. Replace the dipstick, and your engine should be ready for use.